Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel daily course. In front of me Honor X8 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this smartphone. So firstly, open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features. For example, if you are not using mobile internet right now, disable it and use only Wi-Fi. If you're don't using Bluetooth right now, disable it. Disable location services if you don't need to use maps right now. Disable NFC if you don't need to pay, personal hotspot, and Honor Share. All of these services are constantly searching for their networks and it will reduce your battery. Unfortunately, we have here LCD screen, and it means that dark mode is useless on this device to improve battery life. So I suggest you open display brightness and find here screen refresh rate and choose standard. Yes, screen will not too smooth in this mode, but it will improve your battery power because screen will use less battery performance. Then open battery in settings and choose power saving mode. Great. In this mode, your device will live really longer. You can enable power saving mode using your notification panel. So just click edit, drag your power saving mode to upper part of your screen, and here you will see power saving mode, and now you can enable or disable power saving mode using one click. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching and bye. See you.